The world of geospatial analysis is undergoing a revolution. Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing how we understand and interact with our planet. This transformation is driven by the convergence of geographic information systems, remote sensing, and machine learning. Together, these technologies form the powerful field of Geo AI, empowering us to extract deeper insights from geospatial data than ever before. Imagine having intelligent assistants that can sift through massive datasets, identify patterns, and provide actionable insights. That's the promise of Geo AI agents. Join us as we explore the world of Geo AI agents, their applications, benefits, and the future they hold for the world of GIS. Geo AI represents the convergence of three powerful technologies: GIS, remote sensing, and machine learning. GIS provides the framework for managing, analyzing, and visualizing spatial data. Remote sensing technologies like satellites and drones capture data about the Earth's surface from a distance. Machine learning, a subset of AI, enables computers to learn from data and make predictions without explicit programming. In the context of Geo AI, machine learning algorithms are trained on massive geospatial datasets. This training enables them to identify patterns, detect anomalies, and make predictions about future trends. By combining the strengths of these technologies, Geo AI empowers us to extract meaningful information from geospatial data. Geo AI agents take the capabilities of Geo AI a step further. They act as intelligent assistants for GIS professionals, automating complex tasks and providing insightful recommendations. Imagine having a digital assistant that can analyze satellite imagery to identify areas affected by a natural disaster. Or, consider an agent that can predict traffic congestion patterns based on real-time data and historical trends. These agents can be trained to perform specific tasks, such as image classification, object detection, and change detection. They can also learn from user interactions and feedback, becoming more accurate and efficient over time. The impact of Geo AI agents is already being felt across various sectors, from disaster management to urban planning. In California, Geo AI agents are being used to detect wildfires in their early stages. By analyzing real-time satellite imagery, these agents can identify hotspots and alert authorities, enabling rapid response and potentially saving lives and property. In urban planning, Geo AI agents are helping cities become smarter and more sustainable. Capabilities of Geo AI agents. Unveiling spatial intelligence. Geo AI agents possess a range of capabilities that set them apart as powerful tools for GIS professionals. Image classification allows them to categorize pixels in an image based on their spectral signatures. Object detection enables Geo AI agents to identify and locate specific objects within an image, such as buildings, vehicles, or trees. Pattern recognition allows Geo AI agents to identify recurring patterns and trends within spatial data. Predictive analytics enables these agents to forecast future events based on historical data and current trends. Lastly, spatial reasoning allows Geo AI agents to understand spatial relationships and make decisions based on proximity, connectivity, and other spatial factors. This capability is crucial for applications like route optimization, site selection, and urban planning. Geo AI tools empowering the modern GIS professional. Several powerful tools are available that leverage the capabilities of Geo AI agents. GeoChat is an AI-powered chatbot that allows users to interact with their GIS data conversationally. EarthGPT combines the power of large language models with geospatial data to provide insights and predictions. These tools provide GIS professionals with the means to harness the power of Geo AI agents and integrate them into their workflows. Capability enables GIS professionals to gain a deeper understanding of complex phenomena and make more informed decisions. Addressing the limitations data and expertise matter. While the potential of GeoAI agents is immense, it is important to acknowledge the limitations. One of the primary challenges is the need for high-quality, labeled data to train machine learning models effectively. Another limitation is the need for domain expertise to interpret the output of GeoAI agents. Ensuring responsible and ethical use of GeoAI agents is paramount. Embrace the future of GIS with GeoAI. GeoAI agents are transforming the field of geospatial analysis, empowering GIS professionals with unprecedented capabilities. From automating tasks to uncovering hidden insights, these intelligent assistants are revolutionizing how we understand and interact with our planet. The future of GIS is intelligent, automated, and data-driven. Embrace the power of GeoAI agents and unlock a new era of geospatial possibilities.
Workflows. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest in AI and GIS. See you in the next video.